what you're doing. Did you know that this little Fuji apple not only tastes amazing, but is packed with antioxidants that can help keep your heart happy and healthy? But that's not all. Today, we're making the most incredible apple pie recipe, and it comes with a heartfelt story. Pie isn't just delicious, it's a piece of history from the incredible Marlene Roberts Coleman. Don't go anywhere, because not only will you learn every step to make this masterpiece, but I'll also share a special tip at the end to make it extra unforgettable. Let's get started. All right, let's dive in. But before we get to the pie, let me introduce you to someone very special. This recipe comes from Marlene Roberts Coleman, a woman whose hospitality and talent left a lasting impression on me. Years ago, I tasted her apple pie at her home, and it was like nothing I've ever had before. It brought back memories of my Aunt Ruth's cherished pie, a recipe lost when she passed. Marlene's apple pie felt like a gift, and I've cherished it ever since. I reached out to Marlene to ask for her blessing to share this recipe with you all. And with her generosity and kindness, she gave me the green light. So today, we're honoring Marlene and her incredible pie recipe as we bake this one together. Let's get rolling. First up, the buttery, flaky crust, just the way Marlene does it. You'll make this twice for the base and top of the pie. You'll need 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 cup of Smart Balance, our butter substitute, chilled and diced because cold butter equals flaky magic, and 1/4 cup of ice water to bring it all together. Here's the trick. Cut that Smart Balance into the flour until it looks like coarse crumbs. Add ice water slowly, a tablespoon at a time, until the dough forms a ball. No overmixing, or you'll lose that perfect texture. Now, just like Marlene taught me, let that dough chill for at least 4 hours overnight if you're patient. But let's be honest, we've got a pie to bake. So let's prep the filling while it chills in the fridge. Here's where the magic happens. The filling. Say hello to the star of the show, Fuji apples. Did you know these apples aren't just sweet and crispy? They're also loaded with antioxidants and fiber that can help lower cholesterol and keep your heart healthy. Nature's candy, am I right? You'll need about 6 cups, which is about 6 to 7 apples. Peel, core, and slice them up like a pro. I like to use my food processor to get the slices nice and thin, like a pro. And now, for the magic blend of flavors, 3/4 cup of organic cane sugar, because every pie deserves a little sweetness. 1/4 cup of flour to thicken that juicy filling. A dash of salt to balance the sweetness. And a 1/2 teaspoon each of cinnamon and nutmeg for that warm, cozy aroma. Mix it all up, and you've got a filling so good, you'll be tempted to eat it straight from the bowl. But control yourself. We're making a pie here. Roll out that chilled dough and fit it snugly into your pie pan. Make sure you clear the pie pan by 1 inch all around. Pour in those juicy apples. Don't skimp on the filling. Cover it with the second layer of pie crust, and be sure to pierce the top several times with a fork and make a few slices to let the steam escape. Cover the edges with foil to prevent burning, and pop it into your preheated oven at 425 Fahrenheit. Bake it for 35 minutes. Then remove the foil and bake for another 10 minutes, or until you see those juices bubbling out like pure golden happiness. The waiting is the hardest part, but trust me, it's worth it. Here's the bonus tip I promised. While your pie cools, brush the crust with a little melted butter and sprinkle it with sugar for an extra golden, sparkly finish. Want to make it even better? Add a pinch of sea salt on top for that perfect sweet and salty combo. It's a guaranteed showstopper. And there you have it, the ultimate homemade apple pie. Thanks to the incredible Marlene Roberts Coleman. Marlene, your generosity and talent have brought so much joy to so many, and I'm honored to share your recipe today. Friends, if you've enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment thanking Marlene for her kindness. Until next time, keep baking, stay sweet, and spread the love. Here at Come Back Vegan, we want you to have all the knowledge, all the recipes, and all the tips you need to be successful on your journey to a healthier you. Here's to your success.